Today I want to show you the coolest trailer around. This is our TrailManor 2720 QD. We're taking it out for the first time this year and I'm super excited. We actually store our TrailManor inside our two-car garage. We are here at our campsite and I want to show you how we take it from this to this in just a few minutes. There are 4 small latches, one on each corner. We unlatch the front 2 first. There are 2 large latches, one on the front half and one on the back half. We unlatch the front one first and then easily lift the front up. Once the front half has been pulled out, we pull out the front bed. We repeat these steps for the back half. We connect the door. So let's go inside. We still have not set up, and I'll show you what it looks like. That is actually the bathroom that's laying down. There's a bed in the back. This thing on the floor is a cupboard, and you'll see that up in a minute. Our stove, a sink. This is going to be a table and another bed. So give us a few minutes and I'll show you it when it's all set up. Okay, this down here is a cupboard, and he's going to put that in right now. He simply pulls it up. And pushes it into place. Will you open that for them? On this side we have the bathroom. Again, he just pulls this up. Pushes it into place. And latches the other side. Now I'll take you inside. Okay, so we have a full running sink. And I want you to notice this hose. The reason that hose is in here, they used to have a circulating toilet in here, and now it's just a regular flush toilet, but by law they had to put in this hose. Okay, but we also have a shower. And a couple of cupboards. Really cool. In these boxes, we have our cupboards. And there you have it. We are all set up. In front we have a bed. It's a little smaller than a queen size bed. I want you to notice the small storage area above the bed too. This little eating area can be converted into a small bed. We have a mini refrigerator, a full running sink, and storage area below. We have a stovetop and an oven and quite a bit of storage. You've already seen the bathroom, but back here we have another queen size bed. This trailer is very spacious. It's very spacious for a trailer that fits inside our garage. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. This is Donlyn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60. Have a great day.